If you've ever tried to work over a hot grill using a standard pair of oven mitts instead of the best grilling gloves, you know that it doesn't go very well. There are a lot of grilling-related tasks that are difficult. There are many grilling gloves to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best grilling gloves from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Rapica BBQ Gloves. The Rapica gloves look badass. The long black neoprene rubber gloves look like the sort of thing a firefighter could wear into a blaze and walk out carrying a puppy in one hand and a fire hose with the other. And indeed, they proved very heat resistant. We were able to hold a 600 def pan for 8 full seconds, longer than either of our top 2 picks. The cotton liner also felt almost cozy on our hands. So why didn't they get the nod? The super long sleeves, even the smallest size, went almost to our elbow, making them a bit harder to move in than the Weber gloves. And while we were surprised at how well we could grip things with the neoprene material, the extra sticky palms helped. It still didn't offer quite the same freedom as the heavy-duty cotton did. These are very good gloves and we recommend them, especially if you're primarily concerned with intense heat protection. They just aren't the easiest to manipulate. Number 2. Grill Heat Aid BBQ Gloves. The Grill Heat Aid BBQ gloves are a game changer for cooking enthusiasts and professionals alike. These gloves offer exceptional heat resistance, certified to withstand temperatures up to 1472 def, making them ideal for a wide range of cooking tasks. Whether you're manning the grill, working with a smoker, or handling hot pans in the kitchen, these gloves provide unparalleled protection without sacrificing dexterity. What sets these gloves apart is their versatility. Not only are they heat resistant, but they also boast the highest level of cut resistance, making them 4 times stronger than leather. This feature ensures safety during food preparation, woodworking, or even welding tasks. The aramid fabric construction guarantees durability and repeated use without compromising performance. Number 3. Premium BBQ Gloves. The Premium BBQ gloves offer an exceptional blend of protection and functionality for cooking enthusiasts. Crafted from top-tier aramid fabric and imported yarn, these gloves boast impressive heat resistance, withstanding temperatures up to 1472 def. Their durability extends beyond heat protection, with cut resistance 4 times stronger than leather, ensuring safety across various cooking tasks. A standout feature is the non-slip silicone design covering both sides of the gloves. This thoughtful addition provides a secure grip on hot and slippery cookware, reducing the risk of accidents in the kitchen or at the grill. The separate finger design allows for superior dexterity, enabling users to handle utensils and food with precision. Versatility is key with these gloves, suitable for grilling, baking, deep frying, and even non-culinary tasks like welding or tending to fireplaces. Number 4. Geekom BBQ Grill Gloves. The Geekom BBQ Grill Gloves offer an impressive combination of heat resistance and functionality, making them a must-have for cooking enthusiasts. These gloves can withstand temperatures up to 1472 def, thanks to their aramid fiber construction, providing exceptional protection for various cooking tasks from grilling to baking and even campfire management. What sets these gloves apart is their innovative 3-layer design. The outer silicone layer ensures a secure grip on heavy cookware, while the middle aramid fiber layer provides superior heat resistance and flexibility compared to typical silicone or neoprene gloves. The inner cotton liner adds comfort and prevents excessive sweating, addressing a common issue with full silicone gloves. Geekom has thoughtfully designed these gloves with user comfort in mind. The 8-inch wide palm accommodates most hand sizes, while the 5.11-inch long sleeve offers extended protection for wrists and forearms. The widened 6.8-inch cuff facilitates easy wearing and removal. Number 5. Wolfo Silicone BBQ Gloves. The Wolfo Silicone BBQ gloves offer a versatile and practical solution for both indoor and outdoor cooking enthusiasts. Designed to fit most hand sizes, these universal gloves cater to both men and women, making them a convenient choice for households and professional settings alike. Their wide compatibility with various cooking equipment, from turkey fryers to charcoal grills, showcases their adaptability. Crafted from premium food-grade silicone, these gloves boast impressive heat resistance up to 500 def. The thoughtful design incorporates a thick, sweat-proof cotton layer and waterproof silicone double layer, complemented by extra long sleeves for comprehensive protection against burns. This combination of materials ensures comfort and safety during extended use. A standout feature is the textured gripping surface, which significantly reduces the risk of accidents when handling hot, heavy, or slippery items. This pro design element enhances user confidence and control during cooking tasks. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know the product price, please check my video description. Looking for any queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.